Welcome to series of lectures on AutoCAD. In this session, I'm going to discuss this exercise, how to generate. I'll show you the easiest way of developing. I'll start exactly from the center where vertical and horizontal axes are there. Let me start with the axis line. I'll take a line command F8 to keep the line vertical exactly. Then a circle of bigger diameter, let me go with 85 diameter, nothing but 42.5. Eighty-five is the diameter, so I took it as 42.5. Then the next diameter is going to be how much? This is 62 diameter. 62, nothing but 31. Then one more is 32 diameter, which is 16. These are the three circles. First one is 85, next the next periphery 62, then comes 32 diameter. Now on this 62 diameter there are small circles, 1 2 3 4 5 6 are there, and these 6 circles need to be drawn first, which is of 14 diameter. 14 diameter, here it is given. Directly I'll go there and I'll try to draw a circle of diameter 14, means 7 becomes the radius. This is completed. Now let us see how many are there. There are 6 throughout the circumference of 62 diameter, so those 6 we can make it an array. Before that, if you look at, there is a kind of keyway which is of 8 width, means 4 on either side of the axis line, that I'll try to draw first. Let me take this axis line vertical and offset O, enter, through enter, to a distance of 4, enter. Similarly, I'll make it to the other side also, 4, enter. Alright, now let me remove unwanted, TR, double enter. What are unwanted? These are unwanted things. Then these are unwanted, yes. Now let me delete unwanted. These are unwanted, I can remove directly. Later I just draw the axis line. TR, double enter. These things are not required, and this becomes the axis now. Let me extend this by keeping ortho on. Done. Escape from the keyboard. This is how it look like. Just have a look at the image now. Yes, this need to be removed, this portion. TR is the command. Yes, this is how it look like. Now we need a copy of 6 of same shape that I can create by using a command called array. In spite of creating individual one after the other, it takes enough time. So simply I'll go with ARR is the command, array. I just would like to array these two lines and the smaller circle. Enter. I would like to go with polar. in the center. This is how you are going to get the entities. Done. Now remove unwanted by using trim command. This is not required. These are the things I can simply remove. This is how it look like. This is how it look like. Now have a look at the image and what you have created. Now this 62 is not a thick line. Let me keep this in a hidden line. For that I'll go to others, load it, because it is not there. So I'll take it a dashed one, load it. Then one more is a center line, load it. When you load, both will appear here. So I just want to keep this axis as a center line followed by change the color like a 2H color. This one also I would like to keep it like a dashed line with some 2H color. This is how it look like. Later we can give all the dimensions. Okay. Now I just create one side, this particular vertical line followed by the axes. Now I need to drop a vertical at an offset distance of 94 divided by 2, which is 47. At a distance of 47, I'll create an axis line. This one, offset, enter, through, enter, at a distance of 48. Created. And one more at a distance of 104 divided by 2, 52. So I need to drop a horizontal. I just drop one horizontal at some infinite distance. Then I convert this horizontal to a center line followed by change the color so that it look like axis line 2H. Now I want to offset or enter, through enter, this line to be at a distance of 52 because this offset is 104, 52. So directly I'll go there. Let me see the radius. This radius is 4 holes of 12 diameter. 4 holes of 12 diameter. I'll take a circle. Here I'll try to place a circle of 6 radius. Okay, one more circle, outer circle of 14 radius. 14 radius. I'll repeat the task. 14, enter. Alright, now I'll try to offset or mirror them both to the other side. Simply I'll select one and two circles, I'll mirror them with respect to the horizontal. Then I'll drop a straight line from, simply I'll select the quadrants. This symbol is called a quadrant symbol. Done. This part is completed. Then there is a radius of 12. The radius of 12. That radius I'll drop with using a fillet option. Between this one, a radius of 12, enter, and select this one. I'll repeat. You can mirror the same radius, but I'll just repeat just to make you clear understanding. Select the radius, keep it 12, enter, select the second one. Finally, we are done with our sketch. Unwanted, if you could remove, then you could see TR, double enter. This is not required. Then followed by this one. We are done with our sketch. Now we need to mirror the required things. These are the required things which are required to other side of the sketch also. Mirror with respect to vertical. No. This is how the sketch look like. We need to give all the dimensions. Now if you want, you can remove unwanted. Unwanted in sense these are required things only, but if you want to see Z enter, A enter is to fit it to the screen. This is how it look like. Okay. Now this is about the exercise how to generate using AutoCAD. Uh, if you have any queries related to this exercise, you can comment in the box given below. Thank you.